Hey guys, it's me again, Mr. Wade from the Mississippi School for Math and Science, and joining me today is Katie from Brookhaven.
Hey,
how you doing, Katie?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Lincoln County in the house. Katie's a senior at the Mississippi School for Math and Science, as are all the students who talked with us so far. And this week, Katie's going to be talking to us about the mentorship program we have at the Mississippi School for Math and Science, which is a really exciting, cool thing the kids get to do. And Katie, what is mentorship?
Well, it's an opportunity for us to kind of shadow doctors or whatever we want to go into as a professional career. And in my case, I shadowed pediatricians and OBGYNs at the Baptist Memorial Hospital, and I worked in the mother-baby ward. So that was really neat.
So when you say you worked, do you mean you sat in the corner for an hour and wrote a dinky report about it? Or?
It was really hands-on. I didn't hold the babies because they're very small, but I was able to help with different aspects of it, maybe take their temperature or I don't know.
So you were almost able to test drive the career before you did it. Okay, okay. And how do you feel that experience, what'd you think about the experience?
Well, it was a really neat opportunity. First of all, not many high school students get the opportunity to go to a hospital, but it was a great experience overall, and you write a paper on it and kind of present it to your peers so that they can have those same opportunities and sharing that with you.
Okay, and as I understand it, you get class credit for this.
Right.
Okay, and about how many hours a week were you spending working?
About 4 hours a week, and you do it for 2 semesters, so it's about 70 hours.
All right, and did you make any relationships with anybody in your career?
I did. I actually I met a pediatrician while I was at the hospital, and this coming semester I'm going to shadow her at her clinic. So.
All right. Do you think that might be helpful in whatever you decide to do?
I do. I'm really looking at going into pediatrics, so
okay.
I think that'll be neat.
So, and the neat thing about mentorship, by the way, guys, is while we make a lot of doctors at MSMS, a lot of engineers, whatever career field that you could possibly be interested in, we'll set a mentorship up for you. We've had students in the past do journalism mentorships, medical mentorships. We've had kids do education mentorships. I know we've had students who've done things like media relations internships. Really anything that you can get your head around and something that you're interested in pursuing, we encourage you to do so at MSMS. It's not only a good way to test drive a career for some kids, it's like, this is totally what I want to do. Others, they're like, blood is gross and I don't want to really get into this. And I imagine, Katie especially, will probably have someone who's going to write really nice letters about you from here on out. We hope, right?
Right.
Assuming she didn't do a terrible job, of course. All right, Katie, changing gears a little bit. I've asked everybody else this. I'm going to ask you, where are we thinking about going to college next year?
Maybe Mississippi State.
Mississippi State?
By, so.
Okay. Nothing wrong with being a bulldog. And what do you want to do? What's the plan?
Probably major in chemistry or biology, and then hopefully get in medical school.
And go into pediatrics, maybe?
Right.
All right. Well, awesome. As always, guys, please check us out on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or go to the website if you're not already there. And if you're a sophomore, now's the time to apply. The deadline's in February. Katie, any advice about the application?
Get started on it now.
Get started on it now. Well, Katie, you did a really good job. I appreciate it. You have a good one. Bye, guys. We'll see you next week.